Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the ICZI 7-port USB-C hub. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a 7-port USB-C hub that's used with ultra-portable laptops where there's usually a lack of connectivity or ports. So this USB-C hub comes with 3 USB 3.0 ports, a 4K HDMI port, as well as a Type-C inlet charging port to charge up your laptop, as well as an SD card slot and micro SD card slot as well. So this ICZI 7-port USB-C hub is the maximum configuration available. They also make them in 5 and 6 port configuration. So this one actually comes with the 4K HDMI port. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, removing the shrink wrap. So let's find a nice spot to cut it open at. And just tearing along the seam of the shrink wrapping. And that's the shrink wrap removed. And now let's go ahead and, of course, open up the box by, of course, opening it up from the flap end. And sliding the contents out from the box. And, of course, always making sure that we've got everything removed. So as you can see, some papers stuck inside the box, which we've now removed. Set this box to the side right there, and then spread the contents out across the tabletop. Okay, so that's the contents of the box neatly laid out across the tabletop. Let's first start off by looking at this. So it does come with a warranty card, so warranty details on the front as well as back of the card. Now we can set that to the side, and then moving on to the next item, there is a user manual for the ICZI 7-port USB-C hub. And let's fold it out. So it is a fold out user manual or instruction manual. As you can see, it does span 4 panels. And I'm going to give you a close-up look at the details of the user manual. And on the reverse side as well, more information. And then that last panel there. Okay, so that's the user manual. And now we can move on. Let me actually find another spot for that. So let's place it right there. And now we can move on to the 7-port USB-C hub itself. You can see the size of it resting in the palm of my hand there. It is quite light in weight. Don't let the size deceive you. Very, very light in weight. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this plastic wrapper and slide the USB-C hub out from it. So there we have it, the ICZI 7-port USB-C hub resting in my hands. Size-wise, once again, just showing you without the wrapper this time. It is a fairly long hub, but in terms of weight, it is quite light in weight. And of course, the cable does help when it comes to positioning the hub and using it with your ultra slim laptop. So this works with MacBook Pros and various other laptops, ultra portable laptops, as long as they have a USB-C port. So there we go. So that's the USB-C port right there for connecting the hub to your laptop. And then the 4K HDMI adapter right there. So altogether 7 ports or slots as well with this ICZI 7-port hub. You can see this USB-C port right there is for charging your laptop. So it is an inlet port to power your laptop. And then you have a SD card slot with a micro SD card memory slot right below it. So giving you an all-round look. 4K HDMI port there. And then 3 USB 3.0 ports right there. So altogether 7 connecting points or ports. One being an inlet one for the USB-C to charge your laptop. And the rest are for, of course, outlet and actually inlets as well. These two being the memory card slots. And outlet HDMI, 4K HDMI port there. And 3.0 USB ports. So you can see a very lightweight USB-C hub here with 7 ports. So very, very useful when you lack connectivity on your ultra portable laptop. Such a device like this or peripheral like this will give you the connectivity you require to be more productive. So right there, giving you all-round looks in close-up detail as well. That's right there. It's nice to see that it comes with a protective cap here for the USB-C port right there. So you can always plug it back in and just bung it in your laptop bag or handbag or in your pockets. So super light in weight with this strong and sturdy construction of this 7-port ICZI USB-C hub. Of course, the cable is pretty thick and flexible, so no issues there when it comes to durability and rigidity of the peripheral. So that's the ICZI 7-port USB-C hub. Thanks for watching and happy connecting!